All right, Crouton and Rowan's House of Math. This is the Series A online page. This is how you get into the Series A manuals. Now, it's pretty simple. If you have your password already, just put it in and click Enter. But if you don't have your password already for this page, because this is a unique password, it's $57, but for $57 you get the Series A manuals. Now, they don't look like this anymore. They are spiral bound and 8.5 by 11. But they have exactly the same content that's in these manuals. And I mean exactly. They didn't upgrade anything. If you just want to pass to get into this page and you don't have a lifetime pass and you're kind of new around here, it's $27. And if you can do the math, you'll see that if you subtract out the cost of the manuals, because that's the price of the manuals right there. If you just want manuals, you don't want a password or anything, you just want to buy those books, it's $32.50 shipped to your door. And if you can do the simple math, I give you a slight discount if you buy the manuals also. And for lifetime members, it's $13.50. And hopefully, eventually, some of the people that have gone to the other side will come back and leave comments here. Right now, there's no comments because I just put that feature in. And this video, you'll notice that right now, there's when you come to this page, there's a video on the page. But when as I'm making this, I haven't even put the video in yet, obviously, because I'm making the video right now. Okay, so you get to the Series A manuals. This is what you're going to get. You get a video that covers each manual. So this is a video that covers the Series A manual, and it goes over page by page. So you can, I'm going through each page of the manual with you, covering the errata and, you know, talking about the different pages or different concepts that are in the books. Same thing here with the Subtraction Manual. And then, of course, you get the manual itself. So let's put that in the frame. All right, so you can see it. And this is read-only. You can't download these. You can't print these, but you can look at them. And if you have the manuals in your hands, better yet, then you can watch the video and thumb through the manual as we talk about it. So here's multiplication and division and fractions. So this is the latest one I just put up. This is a 46-minute long video that covers every single page in this book because there's some errata in here, and I show you how to fix that errata and where it is. But it covers all the basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division with fractions. And like I said, there's a couple of errors in here, but they're easy to fix once you know where they are, and I show you how to take care of those things easily. Especially like right here, you need just a pencil will fix that easily. And that's the benefit of having a master trainer go through the manuals with you. And you can avoid all those problems. But they should be obvious to you, but some people it's not. Now, games and activities is also online, and I don't have a video made for it yet, but this is a video that just covers some playing and so forth. I don't have a video that actually covers page by page like these other ones do, but it's coming shortly. This will be on that page also. And then here is functions and relationships. And this video also does not cover the book. It's covering what we've done, or a video lesson that I did with a kid, and there was some fourth power algebra in there and some other things that are in this manual. But I'm going to cover the manual page by page for you shortly. And like I said, right now I have 5 of them up, and with these 2 that makes 7. Make the videos for them, and then I just have 3 more to do. When that goes, or when that happens, then the price of the password is going to go up. Also, I have to do some more for math camp and so on. But there's a bunch more content being added, and it's going to cost you a little bit more. Now, this is a password protected page, actually. But you can get all of your, if you have a site-wide password, you get all of the stuff that's here. And let's see here. Let's go to, let's go here. Go back. All right, there you go. And then there's fractions worksheets also that are just for fractions. So, and a video covering that also. And you can download this fractions worksheet. And this fractions worksheet is made specifically for the fractions tiles. So it's not pies, it's actually the fractions pieces. And then also, my book is there. So if you go here, hold on a second here. and click any one of these 3 PDFs. It's available for instant download. Here's the Curious Counters Compendium, Supremely Simple Subtraction, and Divinely Non-Difficult Division, all right here also. And just to cover one of them, it's full color, designed for you to use your base 10 blocks. This is actually to be read as a bedtime story, but it has the base 10 blocks, and we cover the concepts of making numbers out of other numbers, 1 through 10. And you'll see all of that here, right? And they can build it, and it rhymes loosely. Pretty loose with the grammar on this one. But we make all the combinations for 10. Then we talk about square numbers a little bit. Oh, and by the way, you should go past 10 and go all the way to 18, so they get all 45 of their add-ins. And then we talk about square numbers a little bit, and the concept of square root, making that very simple. And finally, this is 53 pages of pretty serious content for little kids. Get into a little bit of algebra, playing what's under the cup. And this is designed for children under 5, but this is no big deal when they can see it. It's easy for them to understand. And then, of course, we get into a little bit of place value, which is also very simple. It shouldn't take long for them to understand place value whatsoever. And so just very basic concepts for little children. And then we end with this thing called multiplication, where we start and just, multiplying by 2, right? 2 6s, 2 7s, etc. This book is, kids love it, and adults like it too. So there is quite a bit of content here for you once you, get your password and get into this page. This will give you, and I don't care what kind of blocks you have, if you're whatever blocks you're using, these manuals will make your blocks and you more effective at presenting math concepts. So anyway, that's what you get when you pay. And if you're wondering how you got here or how to navigate here, if you wound up clicking a link or something, it's right here under PDFs, manuals. That's this page, and then the entry price. And once again, $57.50. You get the password to get in here, plus the manuals, hard copy manuals, or you can just pay $27, and as you see, the manuals are there. They're just not printable, or you don't get a hard copy. If you just want hard copy only, $32.50, and if you have a lifetime membership already, it's $13.50. All right, that's the Series A manuals online. Almost done with this. There'll be several more up here very shortly, and all 10 of them will be online for your perusal. All right, Crouton Ramon's houseofmath.com for more.